Hey guys, it's the GM Twins and we're back at the game. Stay tuned. So this is our food journey. And don't forget to like and subscribe and click on the notification bell for more fun videos as well. And when it rains on your parade, look up rather than down. Without the rain, there will be no rainbow. So up today, and today we're making favorite cookies. It looks classy, so classy, but it's so easy to make, unbelievably easy to make. So stay tuned to see how this is done. Three reasons why you should love these cookies. The first reason is because it has less sugar, yeah. Secondly, it's classy and I love it because it's classy. And thirdly, yeah, it's unbelievably easy to make. So anyone can make it, even a beginner. So the first step, as usual, is to wash your hands. Yeah, this is very important to wash your hands. Now, pour 2 cups of flour in a bowl. Add a pinch of salt, then sieve it. Actually, we're just using the salt, not anymore. And the second step, in a bigger bowl, add half cup of butter and half cup of sugar. Yeah, icing sugar. Yeah, so you can see in that bowl, we have 4.5 spoonful of butter. So you can it's around half cup to 1 cup of butter. So you can look at that if you're not sure of your calculations. Yeah, that goes. And it's advisable to use the icing sugar, yeah, for more sweetness. So I use a fork and spoon while mixing this. And don't forget you can use a mixer, an electric mixer. It's your choice. Yeah, the third step is to add an egg and beat for some seconds. Yeah, just an egg. There it goes. So mix that together as well. So the next step are the flour. Little by little into the wet mixture. Yes, I'm pouring into a bigger bowl for better mixture. So I'm kind of adding it little by pouring like half, then mixing with a spoon, then pouring half on the 2 cups. Yeah. So knead thoroughly with your hands. Yeah, with your hands, knead thoroughly. It's very important. Yeah. Your beautiful fingers and hands. Yeah. So this step is very essential. Divide it into 4 parts. So just like it, add the meat and divide it. Yeah, just like that. So set one aside and leave one in the bowl. Yeah, add 2 spoonfuls of cocoa powder to the dough. 2 spoonfuls of cocoa powder. Yeah. And knead thoroughly until it's incorporated, that it comes together. Yeah, it's not easy, it might take time, like it's not working, but just keep on pressing. And if you find it is hard to make, you could just add 1 spoonful of milk. Yeah, watery milk, just add it for you to find it easy. Yeah, so the following steps should be done on a flat surface. Yeah, flatten board dough with a rolling pin. Yeah, flatten that too. Then place the chocolate dough over the white dough, just like that. Yeah, you can still knead it with a rolling pin. Next step, trim all sides to form a rectangular shape. This is very important. Yeah, you can see me trim all sides, the 4 sides. And yes, use the rolling pin to press it down and to stretch it a little bit. Yeah, use the rolling pin to make it longer, yeah, and for it to come together. And roll gently. Believe me, I'm still gonna trim that. Wow, so beautiful and so easy to make. So the next step is to cover with a plastic wrap and refrigerate for an hour. Yeah, this is very important. Yeah. So the next step after 1 hour, bring the folded dough out and cut into desired sizes. Look at that, that's how it looks when you bring it out from the refrigerator. I'm loving this. Yeah, can you see that it's trimmed? Yeah. So cut with a sharp kitchen knife. Firmly but gently. Yeah, look at that. As simple as that. Yay! So now you can still refrigerate for 15 more minutes for a firmer texture. Yes, that's what I did. But you know what, it's still your choice. So you just cover it up and place it in the refrigerator for 15 more minutes and bring it out. So bake for 10 to 12 minutes after preheating for 5 minutes. And do not forget, know your oven. You could bake one side for 5 minutes and bake the other side for 5 minutes. So don't make it burnt. Watch it and stay near it, don't go too far. Yeah, so it doesn't get burnt. Yeah, know your oven, this is very important. And yes, look at the other smaller part I cut aside, so you can just cut into your favorite shape. Yeah, just do that randomly. Yes, place it near the pinwheel cookie. Yeah, so we place it in the oven. There it goes. Yeah, surprise, we did it. As usual, we did it. why don't we check out the beautiful pictures and videos gotten from this video. Yay! It looks machinant, as Koreans would say. Delicious, and I'm loving it right now. You see, it came out pretty good, and I love it. I know you love it as well. So make this at home. If you want more of this, you can just double the ingredients and you add more. Yeah. And don't forget to share. As usual, everyone loved it. Share with those around you, your family. They will love it. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment below if you have questions and tell me how it went. Yeah. Yay, I love how it came together. As I usually say, bacon is an heart, isn't you? Like you're giving a part of you to someone else. Yeah, I add that and I loved it. So, bake today. It looks lovely. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and don't forget, of course, on Wednesdays and Saturdays, so stay tuned for more. So don't forget to click on the notification bell. Have an helpful day, a day full of hope. Have a nice day, guys.